Hey guys, I am Jazzy and today there is no Robbie, and that is because we are going to do a wish buy of women's beauty products, and then we're going to do a following video of him guessing what the beauty products are, because I've seen a lot of videos like this where the guy friend or the boyfriend tries to guess women's beauty products, and some of them are so weird. Now, to make it funner, I want to pick products that if I find weird, like I want to look for strange ones that I don't even know what they are, to make it a bit of a trick for him, because he thinks that he's going to be just looking at normal beauty products. Well, joke's on him, we're going to do strange beauty products. Now, I haven't used Wish before, so I'm kind of scared. I haven't bought anything, so I don't even know the quality of products. I don't think it's going to be that great. Are you okay? Is it like beauty products or is it beauty gadgets? I don't know. We're just gonna go and see what's the first things. I do like the jade rollers. That's not even a jade roller, that's a rose quartz, so all right. I don't think he would know what that is. I don't even have a budget. Buy? Do you add it to cart or do you buy it there on the spot? No? Okay, all right. Could that hurt me? I don't think you should do that at home by yourself. I think you go to the doctors. If it wasn't $61, I would have got it. What the heck? Alright, delicate thin face, reduced double chin anti-wrinkle facial massager. We're gonna get one of those. Okay, I'm feeling stressed. I'm sitting here like this. Oh my god. Okay, what else did I put? This thing. Oh my god. Do we want white? We want white to make your nose smaller. Rubber face anti-aging, anti-wrinkling muscle tightener, slimmer exercise, lip trainer, oral mouth relaxer, thin jaw chin massager. My name is oh, fancy. Pink. You won't know what that is. I wonder if it works. Oh, that looks like it could rip your hair out. That looks so dangerous. All right, I've seen this. This is like a threading thing. Interesting. I don't like to get my eyebrows threaded or anything. I think that is everything. Okay, let's view the cart. I'm excited for myself. Okay, so far I'm up to $176. Ain't gonna happen. So now I've got to find the things that I want. We'll remove the silicone gel cup. That's done. A total of $44.15, and nearly everything's gonna arrive between June and July. So let's hope it arrives quicker than that. But I'm gonna get it, and also I'm gonna find some things around the house that I have that are just beauty products, beauty gadgets that I can add to the list and get Robbie to try. But those are the main ones that are just strange ones that I wouldn't even use. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to watch more videos of Jazzy and Robbie, make sure you subscribe, stay tuned, and get the notification to see Robbie try these products out and also give his rundown of what he thinks they are. See ya!